Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share my computer screen on Google Meet. First, you just have to log in to your Google Meet account. You can tap to start an instant meeting or create a meeting. Everything is up to you. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is loading, and this is what it looks like. Now, in order for you to share your screen, what you're going to do is to click this box with an arrow facing up, and then once you tap this one, you can see present now. So anyone on this meeting can see what you're going to share. So you can share only one tab or window, or you can also share the entire screen. So everything is up to you. If you are a presenter, then you can choose or you can tap whatever screen you want to share. Specifically, if you just want to share one screen, then everything is up to you. Once done, click share, and that's it. Now you can share your YouTube, your Google, or other platforms and accounts or application on your screen. You can share your audio or not, everything is up to you. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.